welcome to my channel. My name is Selena. So today I'm going to start taking apart my E46 for my E46 build. So this is going to be the first video, I guess. So it's obviously after hours. I have put the car inside. I have slowed my engine, which is awesome, with 225,000 miles. If you guys want to know more about my car, the introduction to my E46 build will be linked down below. So I'm going to start off by pulling the exhaust and the drive shaft, and we'll go from there. So my plan is to take out the engine with the transmission as well as the front suspension from the bottom of the car. But other than that, I might also remove the front end to make everything easier, since the bumper is going to be changed. And yeah, so let's get started. Alright, so the car's jacked up. Let's look at the condition of the car. As you can see, it has stock suspension, 225,000 miles. It's all worn, all dirty, obviously. Like any Beamer, we got a few oil leaks. Not bad though. I've seen worse. I'm excited because once we get all this out, I do plan on cleaning the whole underbody, scrub it nice and clean.
That's what I'm good at.
You're funny.
You should keep that shit in there. That's funny as hell.
You just want to be the star of the camera.
Alright, keep going. So, why is the differential all dirty?
Because there must be some kind of seal broken.
Actually true. Good job.
Alright, without further ado, let's start taking off the exhaust. Looks kind of rusty. Hopefully they're easy to take off. Ooh.
Okay. You don't gotta blink every time the ratchet comes back at you. It ain't gonna fall on you.
Dust.
So,
I've seen Shop Life do other ones. They're bad. Got it. Got it real good. Last one. Let's go. Alright, let's use this jack to support the exhaust so it doesn't fall in my face. Now we're going to take off the muffler mounts. There's one right here and one right over here in this tight ass spot. No, I'm saying like... Let's just say it's bronzer, okay?
Look at me.
What?
So here's the situation.
Alright, so all the mounts are off, everything's off, so now we can pull down the exhaust. So we're gonna set the camera down. He's gonna help me pull it down real quick because obviously I can't do it myself.
Why not? You got all that black stuff on your face by yourself.
Oh my god.
What's gonna work? Teamwork. What's gonna work?
Alright, exhaust is off. Now we're going to take off the dust shields to expose the drive shaft. Alright, so now we can see the drive shaft. We're going to start off by pulling off the bolts near the differential side, and then we're going to move on to the transmission side. Look at this. That right there is the center support bearing. It shouldn't make that noise. Alright, so now I need to turn the drive shaft manually, so I'm gonna loosen this gear selector so that I could put it in neutral. Alright, so now we can see these two bolts right here. So all the bolts are off now, off of this side. I'm going to tap it and pry it off a little bit so it's easier to take off when it's ready to be taken off. Alright, so now it's time to pull off these bolts. Alright, so now we're going to remove the center bearing from the chassis and the drive shaft should pull off. Alright, so the drive shaft is off. There's a lot of beetle tape. Beetle? I said beetle.
It is.
Beetle.
Beetle tape.
But yeah, now we're gonna take off this reinforcement plate. Also unhook the gas lines. And that should be it for today.
Come on, keep going.
Dang, look how dirty it is. That definitely needs to be cleaned. The last thing I'm gonna do is take off this gas line. Alright. A lot of gas falling out.
Just let it fall, it's fine.
Oh! Alright, so this is it for this video. In the next video, I am going to continue removing the engine. But yeah, stay tuned for that. If you guys enjoy this, make sure to give it a like or share the video. And thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.